Hello, everybody. This is Jeremy coming to you from TradeSmart University with another issue of the Trader's Video Glossary. In today's issue, we're going to talk about the different types of price charts. The question is, what are the different types of price charts? This is a question that a lot of people ask us, and the answer is there are actually quite a few different types of price charts that you can use to make your investing decisions. There are, however, 5 that are the most common types of price charts, and those are the 5 that we're going to discuss today. The first one is the line chart, the second one is the bar chart, the third one is the candlestick chart, the fourth one is the mountain chart, and the fifth one is the point and figure chart. The line chart is the most simple of our charts that we're going to be looking at. It is created simply by drawing a line which connects the closing prices of each day. You see here represented in this chart on your screen a line that is ascending because this particular stock is in an uptrend. And what is reflected here is certainly the behavior of the people who are trading this stock. Consequently, if we can understand that, we can make trading decisions based on this information. Now, the next chart we want to look at is the bar chart. This is the same company applied with the bar chart instead of the line chart. The bar chart is created by plotting the opening, the high, the low, and the closing price of each day on this graph. And then what happens is we have these little individual bars and they create the chart. Once you understand how to read them, you can make more educated and more insightful trading decisions. The next chart we're going to look at is a evolution of the bar chart. It's called the candlestick chart. The candlestick chart, just like the bar chart, includes the opening, the high, the low, and the closing price of the day. But the difference is it adds colors to the bar. You notice that you see a combination of white and black candlesticks. The white candlestick represents a day where the closing price was higher than the opening price, or also known as an up day. The black candlesticks represent a day where the closing price was lower than the opening price, and that reflects a down day. So white candles reflect an up day, and black candles reflect a down day. The next chart that we're going to look at is the mountain chart. The mountain chart may look a lot like the line chart to you, and that's because basically the mountain chart is a line chart. It is drawn by connecting the closing price of each day to each other and thus creating a line. However, the difference in the mountain chart and the line chart is every price that the stock has traded in the past is filled in. So you have a mountain type object, like you see right here, that fills in the gap. And that's where we get the term the mountain chart. The next chart we're going to talk about is the point and figure chart. The point and figure chart is decisively different than the other 4 charts that we've talked about. It is the only chart that we've talked about that uses only the high and the low price of the day. Not only that, it only charts the price movement of the stock. It is completely irrespective of time. So the point and figure chart is a departure from the other types of traditional charting. However, it's very beneficial for you if you get into point and figure type charting, and you can certainly draw certain types of lines on point and figure charts that are much more difficult to draw on other types of charts. Now, the next question that we have is, which one of these should I use? Ultimately, it's going to be up to you. However, at TradeSmart University, we specifically teach people how to use the line charts and the candlestick charts. It's the best place to start with your technical training. And once you get those under your belt, you may decide to expand into some other types of charting and see how it can affect your trading as well. If you would like to learn more about how you can use price charts in your trading, please visit us at TradeSmart University and take one of our free investor training courses. You can find us on the internet at tradesmartu.com.